Assalamualaikum everybody and welcome back to Podcast with Ammi. We have with us a name who's really created waves in the past few years, and I think everybody now, especially in Lahore and Punjab, knows about him, knows about what he's done, and it's been remarkable that at a time when people say entrepreneurship is dying in Pakistan and people are like schools ki oversaturation hai. ISL is one name that's recently come up and that has proven like every single conception that we had about entrepreneurship and education wrong. So I'm really delighted that we have with us Shehzad Tahir. He's the founding director of ISL and the CEO. Assalamualaikum and thank you for coming.
Thank you for inviting.
So I want to start by asking you that you were a teacher, an academician. Did you, and generally teachers के बारे में क्या कहा कि they like a safe life, give us simple zindagi hai, we go to work, we come back, we spend time with our kids. And most like tenured professors, I know that's kind of what their motivation is. For you to become an entrepreneur, what was the turning moment?
So basically, even if you go beyond 2005, so I'm an old historian myself, graduated from London School of Economics. Then I trained to become an actuary in London.
Oh, okay.
And then after that, I realized that this profession is not for me. I did not enjoy what I was doing. Spent a couple of years in investment banking.
After becoming, because an actuary is like an accountant.
Yeah. Actuaries are people who, to a layman, an actuary is a mathematician.
Okay.
And then you have four different fields of actuarial science. You have general insurance, life insurance, pension, and investments. I specialize in investments. And then becoming an actuary, there are two tiers. You become an associate, and then you become a fellow. When I became an associate, I decided I do not want to pursue this to become a fellow because this was not my piece of. I wasn't enjoying what I was doing.
It was like very boring?
It was very boring. So you give advice to trustees. अब वो advice का solution 20 साल बाद आना है ना तुमने सुना ना मैंने सुना ना कैसा काम है?
Where you can't see the impact of what you're doing.
But you were under law. There was an obligation by the law. You have to seek my advice as trustees for the pension fund. So आपका भी पैसा नहीं है. आप भी अपनी formality पूरी कर रहे हैं. The consultant is there to make money anyway. So I wasn't enjoying it. So मेरा ये होता गया जो भी decision लिया शाम तक पता लग जाए सही चल रहा था like traders. Spent a couple of years with an investment bank, and then 2005 is when I realized that life cannot be all about making money.
You were making good money.
Very good money. As an investment banker in London, you make good money. I said there has to be more to life. And that is the time when I realized that I want to go back to Pakistan and actually work in the education sector. और जो गलतियाँ मैंने की 10 सालों में, 2-4 लोगों को भी अगर मैं सही राह पे ले आया, तो मेरी ज़िंदगी का शायद मकसद पूरा हो जाएगा. And since maths was my passion, I thought I'd go back and become a maths teacher.
But that was like a huge salary cut, I'm guessing.
Yeah.
And a huge lifestyle cut. So your wife and kids were okay with
I didn't have kids at that time. So it was me and my wife, and I did tell her, I'm not enjoying what I'm doing. But money was never a motivating factor. Money was always fine. I was never like too bothered about money. I made decent money even in those 4-5 years after working. But I said, I have to take this step, take this decision, and I want to go back to Pakistan and work in the education sector. And she said, if that's your choice, then let's do it. Even though everyone said कि ये फैसला गलत है.
So nobody comes to Pakistan with a teacher. Like it's not really, maybe it's not a profession that's very respected, is it?
Excuse 2005 से अब तो बहुत बेहतर है.
But तब बिल्कुल भी नहीं था.
तब तो कॉन्सेप्ट ये था जो टीचर है मोटर बाइक पे स्कूल आएगा वो उस वक्त वो शायद मास्टर जी टाइप वाला कॉन्सेप्ट था. And I did speak to my father. I said, I want to come back to Pakistan. My father had a massive textile mill at that point. But I said, I'm coming back, but I will not join the family business.
You will not. तो उन्होंने क्या कहा?
30 seconds. नहीं उन्होंने तो फिर क्या करोगे? And I said, मुझे teaching करनी. 30 seconds का complete silence. दिल में जैसे कह रहे हो यहाँ आ जा तू लाहौर तुझे भी आटे दाल का भाव पता लग जाएगा. Sort of an attitude. मैं कहा we'll see. So उन्होंने कहा ठीक है if that's your choice, let's see how it goes. And that's how I came to Pakistan. Started with HSN.
Really?
Yeah.
And what were you teaching at HSN?
Maths and business studies.
To O-level?
O-level. So this was September 2005. But I only stayed there for 3 months because I think जो मेरा mindset था कि अब जिस HSN में मैं आ रहा हूँ वो बहुत बदल चुका था.
In what
from
sense?
my time.
3 months is a very short time. So what happened?
Nothing as such. It's just that I did not find it very organized. अच्छा ये क्लास में तू ये दे दे या तू वो पढ़ा दे यार यार वाला मुझे वो प्रोफेशनलिज्म नहीं लगी मुझे. So I said fine. और जो मैं अचीव करना चाहता था जिंदगी में मुझे ऐसा लगा था कि HSM में जो प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं दे सकते. And then I sent my CV around to a few other schools. And then I got, within 2 hours of me dropping the CV, I got a call from one of the schools, which was Zohar Grammar. And then I met the then principal at that point in time. और उन्होंने कहा कि आप A-level economics पढ़ाते हैं. मैं कहा नहीं, I want to teach A-level mathematics. उन्होंने कहा economics. मैं कहा no, I don't think I can teach economics. तो मुझे आगे से कहा ये कि आप लंडन स्कूल ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स से आए हैं और आप इकोनॉमिक्स ही पढ़ा सकते हैं. मैं कहा वहाँ पोलिटिकल साइंस भी पढ़ाई जाती है तो मैं पोलिटिकल साइंस पढ़ा दूँ.
That's true. LSE teaches everything.
So, long story short, then I didn't take that offer, but then after 2 weeks I got another call. कि आप O levels में business और economics पढ़ा दें.
फिर economics.
Then I said, somebody advises me, but actually advises me to become part of the system. Once you're part of the system, it is much easier to move within the system. And then I took business economics.
अच्छा आपने पढ़ाई, but even though you were not a student of economics.
खैर I had taken A-level economics myself, but business को खुद भी करनी पड़ी. So पहले खुद पूरी पढ़ी. Looked at the past exam papers and what the need was. And the funny part was from 2005 to 2009, every year my student had world distinction.
Wow! And you had no
I had no
experience teaching?
Yeah, so I did all my research myself. And then during that point from 2005 to 2009, when the maths teacher resigned, I took over maths. So there was a point where I was doing business, economics, maths, add maths.
For O levels?
O levels.
Wow.
And A-level maths.
Wow.
So,
and all the students were getting world distinctions?
I had a couple in maths, 4 in business, 2 in economics. So I was a good teacher. And then 2000.
And you first had to teach yourself the entire subject?
Only business.
Economics, of course.
Economics I was pretty comfortable. Business I wasn't. And then of course maths was my subject. So yeah, that was my journey as a teacher. Then 2009 to 2010 I took a sabbatical 1 year.
But there were Julia.
I was, there was this opportunity in the US which my ex-boss wanted me to see. I said okay, in the financial industry in Atlanta. But then एक साल के बाद I said no, I don't want to do this. एक साल का contract था. So I told AGS I'm coming back. He said come back. Joined them in 2010.
But you came into teaching with very like romantic notions. You were going to mold the brain.
Yeah, and I was
were you
passionate.
able to do that?
I was in a lot of ways. So बहुत से लोगों का exposure नहीं था कि क्या होता है. So counseling was an unheard of thing. How do people apply? What happens? So you see, in the US, you're choosing a college. You're not choosing a degree. So US education was very flexible. अच्छा आज मैंने maths करनी कर लो यार.
Dance कर लो, theatre कर लो.
तो 2 साल तक तो flexibility थी. What people did not realize was कि UK में flexibility नहीं है.
Yeah, you need
to know. You're applying to a degree.
Yes, and you can't even move.
It's very difficult.
Because उनके तो schools ये रहता है ना, like you get into let's say the School of Medicine, which is a separate institution, so you can't be like, oh, I'm not enjoying it, let me go to the School of Business. It doesn't work.
I remember I applied to management science. A friend of mine applied to management science at LSE, and after 6 months he realized that I don't want to do management science. I want to do accounting and finance. He was very fortunately वो हो गया, but बड़ी struggle के बाद वो switch हुआ. So that is something which people do not realize. Then one thing that people do not realize is that हम कहते हैं ना extracurriculars कर लो तो colleges में बड़ी help होगी. US, yes. UK,
they don't care.
Zero.
Yeah, I agree. They
So
don't care.
it's like बहुत big.
It's also Pakistan doesn't care. Like इतनी misconceptions है. People actually thought at one time when my boys were applying to HSN कि जब आप HSN apply करते हो तो if you're a rider तो कोई marks होते हैं. And I was like कहाँ marks होते हैं? HSN is an exam, and then on the basis of the exam now they decide. So I was like, where are they going to put the riding के marks? Interview होता है after you're in.
Even you would have heard some people coming and saying, oh, further maths का double graded. Credit क्या होता है? अगर double graded का further maths और physics लेना और A-levels complete करना.
Yeah.
You need to take 3 A-levels.
Yeah.
So there's no such thing as credit. There's some subjects which will help you in getting into a good college, but that's about it.
Yeah, absolutely. So you feel that you were able to fulfill the roman, and did you find it fulfilling being a
Very
teacher?
rewarding. Very rewarding.
Really? when you saw your students doing well?
मतलब एक student, there was a student who was at the verge of being expelled, and then I had to convince the senior management that I can take care of him. That child is working in a top pharmaceutical in the UK. So उसको देख के जब उसके माँ बाप मिलते हैं बस उनके आंखों से आंसू ही निकलते हैं मुझे देख के
Why was that child about to be expelled?
कुछ behavioral issues थे कुछ.
And you were able to
I was able to
help
tame
him
him and counsel him and guide him कि नहीं इस तरह नहीं करना इस तरह करना है. And I'm so proud of it. Like, even if he knows I'm in London, वो जहाँ भी होगा you know he will come and see me for or we'll have dinner together.
That's really nice.
Alright, so
do you have that bond with a lot of students?
Many students.
But do you feel so I'm very old school, obviously, convent, you know, the nuns, and then King Edward, again very old school, like वो वाला माहौल नहीं है कि you can call up a teacher and be like, oh, meet me a double shot. Like, there was no way. Imagine me calling up Sister Madeline being like, if you got for coffee, she'd be like, have you lost your brain? But I do feel that up in Pakistan, there are some teachers and schools that still love that decorum, like HSN, Bahawalpur and all. But there's some that like, you know, that are breaking that now. I mean, don't you feel कि वो थोड़ा dangerous हो जाता है जब आप when you become a friend to your teachers, when you become a friend to your students? So how do you as a teacher
after
now?
they've graduated, I don't know.
After तो obviously.
During school ऐसा नहीं मजाक.
अच्छा फिर नहीं. You won't like meet your students
No,
for
no,
dinners
no.
or go to their houses
No,
or have
no,
brunches
no,
or have them over.
No. It's
Because I've
impossible.
seen this happening at one school in particular in Lahore, and it always surprises me.
नहीं, नहीं,
Then
नहीं.
how do you draw a boundary?
It's once they've graduated from ISL, then yes, we can meet over coffee. Or
फिर तो they're not students.
Yes.
हाँ, फिर तो वो break
they're working in the profession or they're
Yeah,
doing their
yeah.
bachelor's or whatever. But during school, nahi. Only.
So when you meet your students only in the office.
Yeah,
and
only
like,
in the office, yeah. Yeah, unless ही कुछ ऐसा हो गया, chair, we won the national debate, so debating team को dinner पे
हाँ,
admin लेके ही.
yeah.
That's the difference, you know. It's like 12-15 बच्चा होगा,
Yeah.
3-4 administrators होंगे, but ऐसा नहीं है कि teacher और या principal और बच्चा की lunch या coffee पे जा रहे हैं, ऐसा नहीं.
Yeah.
That's not possible.
So then you were very satisfied in your journey as a teacher, and you were enjoying it, and you were hitting the, you know, ticking the boxes that you wanted to tick.
I did.
So where entrepreneurship will be in a country like Pakistan where everybody is like, बेच दो property और भाग जाओ. What was it?
So that was the journey till 2010. Then in 2010.
And अभी तक आपके अब्बू were happy or was he like क्या कर रहे हो शहजाद? Degree भी ज़ाया कर रहे हो?
No. 2007 he said, he gave me the final thing. He said, you don't want to do this, I'm going to sell it. I said, sell it.
Really?
So he sold it.
He sold his textile business.
Which I think on the hindsight was a good thing because by the time, after that when China came and took over all the markets, I said, अच्छे वो बेच दी और अच्छे पैसों में बेच दी.
लेकिन फिर भी that's like a मतलब.
No, because my
Most Pakistanis are like, they come back only to take over Baba's mill.
No, so my younger brother was in the UK. He was not interested. I wasn't interested. He got my page. Then 2011 May, I was offered, the first time I was offered administration in the previous school. And then 2012 my principalship for phase 5.
And there you enjoyed that because
Then
that was
then-
taking you away from teaching.
But then I realized I actually enjoy administration more
Really?
than teaching. So that was something I didn't know about myself.
Why do you enjoy it?
So I thought it was more challenging because यहाँ पे you only have exposure to students, वहाँ पे you have exposure to students, plus you are in a
Parents.
position, parents, plus you're in a position where you can divert it the way you want to divert or achieve what you want to achieve. So if I say, yeah, debates is something which is very important for me and my students. Let's do it. Sports, ये introduce करो, ये coach लेकर आओ. As a teacher मैं वो नहीं कर सकता. समझ रहे हैं? These are the colleges we want to aim for. Let's create a strategy how to go about it. Get the best counselors in-house. So as a teacher, the one also. So giving that pathway to those students became slightly more easier when you become a top administrator.
Yeah.
So it becomes top down.
So your motivation was helping these students post school.
Post school and within school as well. So my problem with this generation is that it's not this generation, I don't know where did we go wrong, but if I look at my days in HSN, तो वहाँ होते थे बैरे जिसको आज हम कहते हैं कस्टोडियन स्टाफ. तो बैरा आता था तो
वो जो पगड़ी पहन के white
तो बैरा आता था तो उसको कहते चाचा क्या हाल है, तो चाचा भी हमसे गपशप मार रहे हैं. ठीक है. आज वो चीज़ I miss that thing in my students.
वो नहीं है you feel?
नहीं है, कम हो गई है. For whatever reason I don't know. But ये 20 सालों में जिस तरह generational change आया है या attitude में change आया है, I want to tell my students कि यार
तरबियत में भी change आता है.
बिल्कुल देखो, people ask me why ISL. So I told them कि ISL कभी इसलिए नहीं बना था कि मुझे A's और A stars चाहिए, मुझे Harvard और Stanford चाहिए. वो तो मैं पहले भी कर रहा था जहाँ बैठा हुआ था. The whole idea was that we need to develop human beings who understand ethics, morals, values, बड़े की इज्जत, छोटे की इज्जत, तमीज, तहजीब.
Yeah, तहजीब and
So this is what I wanted to inculcate in these students. कि नहीं यार, ये is real. Being a good human being is more important than being a 10 star student. A 10 star student जो बदतमीज है वो मेरे किसी काम का नहीं.
Yeah, and शायद वो दुनिया के भी किसी काम का
ऐसे ही है. So that is where I think the parents.
Because I think people don't realize, since we've cracked the O-level system, the A's is not a big deal at all. And a lot of admission counselors, like when I talk to them or I listen to their podcasts, they're always talking about personality. And that personality is not even something you can fake. Chalo,
Yeah.
transcripts fake kar do.
Yeah.
But the personality that is coming through your essays or your interviews, that is a reflection of your tehzeeb, your tarbiyat, the books
Exactly.
you've read, the documentary. उसको आप fake नहीं कर सकते.
नहीं कर सकते. So that was the whole idea. अब जैसे कि नमाज का ही था कि यार नमाज even though मतलब so basically ISL में ये कॉन्सेप्ट है कि 1:30 बजे से 2 बजे तक क्लास नहीं होगी OA levels में.
ताकि वो नमाज
पढ़े.
पर आप लोग बाद में बात करवाते हैं.
नहीं, so उसमें होता ये कि जो पाइन एवेन्यू वाला कैंपस है वहाँ भी है मस्जिद. रिंग रोड पे भी है सेपरेट प्रेयर रूम्स. हम जबरदस्ती किसी को नहीं पकड़ सकते जाओ नमाज पढ़ो.
लेकिन आप
But
ऑप्शन देते हैं.
we give them that opportunity कि जिसने पढ़नी
But
हो
why
उसको
do you
मुंह से
not do a
पढ़नी.
बाद जमात नमाज? Considering the number of boys and men in that camp.
That is something we can look into, but
But why the hesitation to bring Islam?
there is no
into
hesitation. To be
school?
honest, I've never thought about it. I'll be honest about it.
But okay, so it's something that I've asked a lot of school owners. And like I'm searching HSM में there is a masjid and my boys have always missed the Zohar. Even though there is a masjid because there is no time given.
Yeah.
So आपका school खत्म हुआ and then you have like 5 minutes जिसमें you have to change into your sports kit, put your bag in the car,
Yeah.
drink water and reach the sports ground. तो नमाज आपने कैसे पढ़नी है? And by the time you get home, Zohar's gone.
Yeah.
And I often and I've asked other teachers also, I was like, why, maybe we are an Islamic country, right? You can't really say separation of church and state, either hey, we are. So why do we not, jab Dubai ka har school, be it like NYU, Abu Dhabi, every massive brand in the Middle East has to have congregational prayer. So why are we afraid? जब हम foreign brands को दुबई में they dictate कि नहीं यहाँ पर होगी और होती है, जबकि NYU में तो सारे दूर तक कोई नमाज का सीन नहीं.
नहीं वो ये है कि नहीं there is no hesitation. As I said, I've never thought about कि बाद जमात भी होगा. हमने देखा आधे घंटे में जो आ सकता है किसी 140 क्लास खत्म हो रही किसी 150 हो रही वो आए पढ़े हो जाए. But we look into it. That's not an issue.
Yeah. Okay, so coming back to your journey, so you said that you went into administration and enjoyed it even more
Yeah.
because of the impact you were making.
Yeah.
अब फिर क्या हुआ? What was that turning point
So
when you were
basically
like,
then, 2000
नौकरी छोड़ो and going to the Wild
So
West?
2012 to 2016,
You were building the school up to success.
yeah, and we.
And I think you made a massive impact because
Yeah.
people in Lahore, and generally, people don't talk about administrators. Matlab, let's say the headmaster of HSN is not somebody just going to discuss karte hain, but you were being discussed.
Yeah.
And I remember people were saying, ke, oh, this is guy Shahzad and he's really like improved the A-levels program, or there's this guy Shahzad, he's really improved the O-levels and अच्छे teachers. Like people were talking about the work.
So
you were
basically,
doing.
from my previous institution to ISL, what happened was that 2018, I started feeling as if maybe my vision and my director's vision were not in line. And at the end of the day, Yogi School की philosophy थी, I had to follow it, whether I agreed or I did not agree with certain things. So then that is when I realized कि नहीं यार, this is the time to part ways, because जो मैं करना चाहूँगा मैं यहाँ रह के नहीं कर पाऊँगा. So might as well set up something small, but at least I can do what I want to do.
Yeah, your vision.
My vision. So that was the whole idea behind it. और उसमें ये है कि मतलब देखो बड़े मतलब कुछ चीज़ों पे मेरा ईमान बहुत पक्का है. जैसे two things. मेरा रिस्क और मेरी मौत मेरे पीछे.
Yeah, that's true.
I suffered a heart attack in 2016.
Really?
When I was 39.
When you were.
At LGS.
And that is when you were thinking of leaving?
No.
That is when You were doing well.
I was doing really well, but
And 39, you
at
had
the age
a
of
heart.
39.
Wow. What was the reason? Do you have like a family history?
No, my parents are fine, alhamdulillah.
You have diabetes.
I was diabetic, which I did not know. So sugar and your heart has a very positive correlation, about 80% correlation.
Yeah, I know.
So I was, during those days, I would have 3 cans of Coke without realizing I'm diabetic. So that triggered the heart attack. So उस दिन के बाद मैं सोचा कि हम इतनी लंबी प्लानिंग करते हैं ये करना है.
You don't even know if you're going to.
We don't even know what's going to happen in the next second. So that made me realize that I don't need to worry about मौत and I don't need to worry about my risk. ठीक है. अब कहने वाले बहुत हैं पाकिस्तान में रिस्क मौत अल्लाह के हाथ में बिल्कुल है.
But people don't believe.
मानते नहीं.
Yeah,
मैं उन बड़े
they don't
चंद लोगों में
believe
से
it.
जिसको मानता हूँ.
Yeah.
So when this transition was coming about, second time in my life people said कि शहजाद तुम ये बात करो. First time 2005.
Jab when
London.
when you became an ustad.
Yeah, from London to Lahore, ustad bane.
But financially, though, they were right. You did lose out financially. Because you can't make what
Of
an
course.
investment banker makes.
Of course.
But it didn't affect you.
Sorry, but I didn't.
And आपकी बेगम का बड़ा हौसला है कि she gave up the lifestyle in the
But-
UK for an ustad's wife.
Khair, as I said, उस वक्त majority were not in agreement. 2020.
And your wife was in agreement?
She said, do what you think you want to do.
That's
So
great.
she's been very supportive. 2020 में
जब आपने कहा मैं
जब मैंने
छोड़
कहा, अब मैं ये when I again
And you had
raised my
worked at
plans.
that place for 20 years.
15.
15. So you were leaving the only stable job you'd had in
Yeah.
Lahore.
And the only in the first job I had and all. And then everyone said, कि शहजाद ये गलती है.
And you didn't have the money to start ISL.
Not the money start I said ये गलती है. And ऐसी नौकरी दोबारा नहीं मिली. मैं कहा, you're right. ऐसी
That's
नौकरी नहीं
true.
मिली.
Because you were number 2 to the director.
Yeah. So, but मेरे दिल में जो था ना, I always had this convict. I was मतलब so sure कि अगर मेरा रिस्क कम होना तो यहाँ रह के भी हो जाना, नहीं होना तो वहाँ जाके भी नहीं होना. डर किस बात का? मेरे हाथ में तो वहाँ ही नहीं. That was the first thought which came to my mind, and along this journey,
And by this time you had kids.
I had one son.
So was that a worry कि what if I'm not able to feed him? कि you were like इतना तो मैं कमा ही लूँगा.
नहीं, इतना तो अल्लाह का शुक्र था भी, ऐसा नहीं था. So basically then we started raising funds for our.
How? अच्छा, so it was just you when you say we तो बाकी लोग कौन
उसमें
थे?
there were 2 more colleagues, friends नहीं कहूँगा, colleagues ही थे.
From the same school.
Yeah.
तो उनको आपने बीच में रोक कैसे किया?
तो उसमें से 2017 में से एक ने मुझे कहा था कि
अपना खोलते.
अपना खोलते हैं.
Did he mean tuition center?
No,
खोलते?
school. अब I was his principal, मैं कहा अच्छा यार सोचेंगे, देखते हैं. 2019 का end, 2020 की beginning, कोविड भी शुरू हो गया. Then I called him and said let's do it.
उस बचपन में.
उस बंदे को.
अब आपको एक और भी मिल गया.
एक और भी हमारे साथ था. So we 3 came together.
Both of them were currently jobless. The
Oh, they
other two.
both were working.
You were the only one who was
No,
jobless.
उसमें तो I was also working.
अच्छा.
I left in June. ये जनवरी की बात है.
अच्छा.
And then the whole idea was कि अच्छा यार पैसे कहाँ से? So then we came up with the strategy अच्छा we'll sell X amount of shares for this amount of money. Then we contacted our.
But आपने evaluation कैसे बनाई? Because अभी तो paper पे था सर.
It was cost based valuation. हमें इतने
Okay.
पैसे चाहिए. So,
Land acquire करना है.
Land है, building है, furniture है, equipment है.
तो कितने
working
आपको
capital
पैसे
है.
चाहिए?
So at that time we wanted around 60 crores.
60. And this is 3 teachers with a dream
Yeah.
and needing 60 crores.
Then I reached out to my.
आपके अब्बू ने कोई पैसे दिए?
नहीं, उन्होंने मांगी. I reached out to my friends, all the bankers and hedge fund managers and अभी भी contact दोस्त थे ना. So उनको मैंने idea float किया, मैंने कहा ये है and this is what I want to do. So वो कहते हैं ना कि सफर शुरू हुआ तो कारवां बना तो बनते ही चला गया. एक आया, दूसरा आया, then.
Was it hard to convince them?
Not really.
Not really.
Not really.
Wow.
Because they've known me for God, donkey years and like I said, let's do it. और जो अमेरिका बैठा उसकी इंग्लैंड बैठा उसकी लाइक ठीक है थोड़े से ही पैसे हैं ना 60 करोड़ एक ने तो नहीं दे देते
हाँ, तो लोगों ने क्या 5
पाँच
टाइप दिया?
पाँच
Which for them is what? Not that much money. $150,000.
आज के
200.
150,000 today लेकिन उस वक्त भी I don't know क्या रेट था खैर एक आया दो आए हम 7 लोग इकट्ठे हो गए and we had the money
हो गए 60
हो गए.
crores. Wow.
एंड खैर 60 करोड़ एक दफ़ा में तो नहीं रखने थे ना, तो
पहले
पहले
तो
मैंने
plan
तुम्हें
किया।
कहा तुमने एग्री कर लिया जब हम खर्च करने का अब जब पैसे कम हो रहे डूइंग दिस टाइम यू आल्सो स्पीक टू सम अदर पीपल एंड ही एग्रीज, इसने 5 करोड़ दे दिया, वो काम चलता गया. And that's the only time, the first time we asked for money. And the interesting part is not this. The interesting part is that जब हमने ये पैसे लिए, तो we guaranteed कि यार पहले साल में ना 240 students हम देंगे. पहले साल.
The three of you guaranteed.
Yeah. Then
And you had no idea कहाँ से आने हैं.
240 students से मुझे idea था कि we'll dent the ONA level market. इतना मुझे idea था. And then we told them 5 साल में ना 1000 बचा कर देंगे.
ठीक है. And उसी के ऊपर आपने feasibility.
और इसी को feasibility, इसी के ऊपर उन्होंने पैसा भी लगाया.
कि ठीक है 240 पहले साल में आते हैं 5 में
5 साल तक 1000 बचा कर देंगे. So we closed the first year with 1300 students.
वाओ. सो आपके इन्वेस्टर्स
वो
तो पे
पागल हो
पंगड़े
गए,
डाल रहे हो.
पागल हो गए. उन्होंने कहा और बताओ कहाँ खोलना है, और बताओ क्या लेना है,
और पैसे ले लो
और
please.
पैसे ले लो. अच्छा हम भी मतलब 1300.
लेकिन मेरी बात सुनिए, what was it that made ISL successful? So from what I remember, you were able to get the faculty. तो उनको जैसे I remember एक डॉक्टर्स हॉस्पिटल खुला था तो उन्होंने हर
Yes,
डॉक्टर को
doctor did.
1% दिया. Is that what you did?
No, we
कि
didn't.
like मुज़म्मिल को आपने 1% दे दिया.
We didn't offer sweat equity to anyone. If somebody wanted to buy an equity, they were allowed to buy.
नहीं but ये टॉप नॉच टीचर्स पे ISL क्यों आएंगे जब उनके पास सारे स्कूल्स हैं लाहौर के बड़े बड़े
इससे वही वाली
schools
बात है ना. You do not choose an institution, you choose a boss. If Shazad was the boss for 10 years, और शहजाद आज कह रहे कि यार एक क्लास ले लो, तो क्यों ना लें?
हैं. Okay.
और
I think
ये
सारे टीचर्स पार्ट टाइम थे, even the O level.
A level O level में A level तो होते हैं पार्ट टाइम है, O level में 70% पार्ट टाइम है. अब आप 10 साल से मेरे साथ काम कर रहे हो, मैं आपसे
मैं
रिक्वेस्ट कर
part-time
रहा हूँ
में
कि
तो
आयशा ये क्लास एक तुमने लेनी है, और मेरा नया स्कूल अगर तुम फॉर एग्जांपल लाख रुपए लेती हो ना, मैं तो 70 ही देता हूँ, और फिर भी तुमने कहा ठीक है डन,
Out of regard.
ठीक है, आउट ऑफ
Of a 10-year
ठीक है ना.
relationship.
तो
So all the top teachers were at your previous school. उनको आपने लिया.
तो प्रीवियस स्कूल के थे, ये लाहौर शहर के थे, कुछ और स्कूल के भी थे. लाइक मुजम्मिल वाज नेवर एट LGS, उमर खान वाज नॉट देयर, बहुत से टीचर्स थे.
But your strategy was top
So
teachers.
basically it was creating a roadmap. Okay, economics, business, physics, chemistry, math. ये हम identify कर चुके थे कि ये चीज़ हमें चाहिए. And then, alhamdulillah, 9 out of 10 decided to come to ISL. That was not the problem. The problem was when the previous institution said either us or them. अब हम घबरा
उन्होंने
गए.
teachers को कहा.
अब हम घबरा गए. टीचर प्रेशर में आ सकते कि यार पता नहीं ISL चलेगा नहीं चलेगा.
पता नहीं शहजाद 2 महीने बाद सैलरी भी दे पाएगा कि नहीं.
But hats off to them. और इनका ये एहसान है मुझ पे टीचरों का कि इन्होंने मेरा साथ दिया. If it comes down to this point, either them or ISL, we'll go with ISL.
Because ISL dictate नहीं ना उनको कर.
Exactly. हमने तो कुछ नहीं कहा कि आप यहाँ पढ़ो या वहाँ ना पढ़ो. And then सारे टॉप टीचर्स हैं अब आगे, और आपने Tier B टीचर्स ले लिए, Tier C टीचर्स ले लिए,
Your
कॉम्प्रोमाइज
previous
किया,
institution.
कॉम्प्रोमाइज किया, and you suffer.
You know they say there's no place for ego in business.
There is no place. देखिए ये ईगो
बिजनेस में आप आई थिंक नौकरी में आप ईगो रख सकते हो कि ठीक है यार मेरी अनाई है, मेरी डिपार्टमेंट है, बट आई हैव सीन द मोस्ट सक्सेसफुल बिजनेसमैन in the world are the most humble, and I feel that there is actually no place for business. Ego नहीं आप कर सकते as a businessman, because all those people working for you are working on your vision, on your dream.
Yeah.
तो उनके सामने आप नखरा कैसे कर सकते
और
हो?
वैसे भी देखो जहाँ तक ये टीचर्स वाला बात आती है ना, किसी भी एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूशन में कितने मेजर स्टेक होल्डर्स हैं, स्कूल है, पेरेंट है,
और teachers हैं।
स्टूडेंट है
तीन।
और टीचर्स हैं, 4 लोग. मेरा हमेशा से बेसिक स्कूल ये रहा, नॉट जस्ट विद टीचर्स विद एनीवन, इज्जत दो, इज्जत लो. ठीक है. टीचर्स को लेके मैं हमेशा ये देखो, एजुकेशन इज अ सर्विस सेक्टर. आपने डॉक्टर साहब की बात की, मैं आज भी डॉक्टर को फ़ोन करता हूँ, मैं कहता हूँ यार मैंने आई नीड टू सी यू. माय कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट से शहजाद मैं नेशनल हॉस्पिटल हूँ, नेशनल आ जाओ, नेशनल चल रहा
आप चले जाएंगे, you won't be loyal to के डॉक्टर्स ही जाना है।
मैं 6 महीने बाद फ़ोन करूँगा अपने डॉक्टर को, वो कहेगा यार मैं डॉक्टर शिफ्ट हो गया, डॉक्टर आ जाओ, मैं डॉक्टर चला जाऊँगा. 6 महीने बाद वो कहेगा यार मैं घर से ही काम कर रहा हूँ, मैं घर चला जाऊँगा. मुझे ना नेशनल में इंटरेस्ट है बिल्डिंग में, ना डॉक्टर्स की बिल्डिंग में, मुझे तो डॉक्टर में इंटरेस्ट है. इसलिए एजुकेशन इज ऑल्सो सर्विस बेस्ड. मुझे ब्रांड में इंटरेस्ट नहीं होना चाहिए, मुझे इंटरेस्ट होना चाहिए कि जो सर्विस मुझे चाहिए उस स्कूल वो कौन सा स्कूल बेहतरीन दे सकता है. टीचर्स के बारे में मैं हमेशा ये कहता हूँ कि यार तुमसे हम हैं, हमसे तुम नहीं हो. कुछ स्कूलों का ये दिमाग में है कि हमसे तुम हो, तुमसे हम हैं. That's it.
So you feel that your success is because you were able to get the right teachers and then keep them.
three benchmarks. Top academic faculty.
And unko you were not able to get them because you paid them more.
No. Of course, I couldn't afford to pay them more.
So you just used your relationship.
I used
with
my
them.
relationship, and then as I said, के बाकी मदद दूसरे कर दी. Asked for them, so they said okay, then them.
Yeah.
हमने तो नहीं की.
Yeah.
Then the second benchmark is top counseling, college
वो
counseling.
आपने from day one रखी थी.
Yeah. That was always our one of the USPs.
नहीं तो top firm counseling या top in-house counseling?
Top in-house counseling plus affiliation with top firms.
ठीक है, that was the second thing.
And the third was the platform for extracurricular activities.
वो भी आपने from day one रखा.
उसमें भी comprehensive.
उसको
We had
आपने
the best
कैसे top-notch
coaches,
किया?
चाहे
Okay.
sports है, चाहे debates है, चाहे robot. In our first year, the biggest science Olympiad in Pakistan is LAM Sci-Fi, जो IS ने अपने पहले साल में जीता.
वो
With-
कैसे जीता? You hired the best
So we
coaches.
had the best robotic coaches. We have the best robotics lab in Lahore.
Okay. ये आपने from day one
From
किया,
day one.
not कि as we grow we build.
This was their day one. Debates has always been very close to my heart. You'll be surprised to know that दो बड़ी championships हैं, U19 nationals and U17 nationals.
Yeah, दो ही हैं. For the Pakistan Debating
Yes.
Society.
We are the only school to date in history of DSP जिसने एक साल में दोनों जीते.
Wow. So you guys beat out Aitchison and all
Everyone,
of them.
everyone. U19 nationals, U17 nationals.
And that's because you
Same
again
year.
hired the right coaches.
We had the best coaches and of course the bachas were pretty talented as well. इस साल भी U19 nationals हम ही जीते. This
Wow.
year.
And then U17 नहीं जीती.
U17 भी हम शायद नहीं हम नहीं जीते. We were I think semi-finals शायद. That's fine. हार जीत का मसला नहीं है.
Yeah, yeah.
हार जीत तो चलती रहती है.
But disruption
But 4
was,
साल में we won it thrice.
Wow.
कितने
That's-
schools हैं?
That's quite
So when we say
remarkable.
best faculty, we've proved it with the best results. When we say best counseling, we've shown it with the best admissions, best extracurriculars. ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता कि sports का event हो लाहौर में, ISL participate करे और ISL जीते ना.
Really?
ये नामुमकिन है.
In all the sports.
लाम स्पोर्ट्स फेस्ट भी हम ही जीते हैं. तो जब वो एक स्कूल कहता है ना कि जी जैसा बात हुई थी स्कूल की जी हम स्कूल के अंदर ही खेलते हैं, वो तो मुझे समझ नहीं आती. So
Hey, which sports are you guys good
name
at?
it. We have basketball, swimming, cricket, futsal, throwball, netball,
Really?
chess on campus. तो शाम को भी फ्लड में बच्चे खेल रहे होते हैं.
लेकिन for example, there are other schools, right? For example, my daughter is a Punjab level swimmer. But I don't, and obviously she goes to a school and जब वो जीतती है, the school puts up the stories and all. But she is not in swimming where she is because of the school coaches.
Yeah.
And अगर आप Aitchison को भी देखें, they have, you know, the best fields and all, but a lot of the boys excel not because of Aitchison coaching, but because of outside coaching. So ISL में,
But
can you really take credit?
No, it's a combination of both. ठीक है ना, अगर आपका बच्चा बाहर कोचिंग ले रहा है, जैसे क्रिकेट ही ले रहा है, अब वो एचएसएल में भी अगर आप खेल रहा है, तो एचएसएल का भी कोच है, तो कॉम्बिनेशन ठीक मे बी 70-30 बट है तो सही. और इट कुड बी वाइस वर्सा, बोल के अच्छा एचएसएल से शुरू किया या किसी भी स्कूल
And
से
फिर
किया,
वो
और फिर
इतना
बाहर
excel
निकल के
कर,
गया,
yeah.
फाइन ट्यून
And what about debates? Do you feel your kids are excelling because of ISL coaches? कि वो भी outside
नहीं, वो तो
सब-
आईएस कोच.
वो ISL
वो
coach.
सब कोच.
And what about
Even
पढ़ाई?
फुटबॉल भी आईएस.
अच्छा, that's ISL. And what about पढ़ाई? Is it the ISL teachers or फिर भी tuition academies?
देखिए उसमें
Have you ever looked into कि
Yes,
कितने
we
बच्चे
have.
tuitions पे
We-
जाते
we
हैं?
have.
अभी भी उतने
नहीं, the numbers have significantly dropped. But देखो उसमें ये है कि सिर्फ so basically ISL की एक फिलॉसफी ये भी थी कि ISL के बच्चों को ट्यूशन की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. अब A लेवल से या O लेवल से आपके अच्छा कोई भी सब्जेक्ट ले लो, you say okay business studies A levels. My challenge is top तो top, second top भी ISL में मिलेगा. Market के analysis से whoever is the best teacher, do your research and find out who is the best teacher. My point is the best teacher, second best भी business का आपको ISL में मिलेगा. अब अगर एक बच्चा कहता है मैंने ट्यूशन पढ़नी है,
तो वो उन्हीं से पढ़ेगा.
नहीं तो क्वेश्चन ये किससे पढ़ेगा? टॉप से पढ़ेगा जो पढ़ा रहा है. डजंट मेक सेंस. अगर टॉप से नहीं पढ़नी और सेकंड या थर्ड टॉप से पढ़नी है तो क्यों पढ़नी? टॉप तो पढ़ा रहा था. प्रॉब्लम वहाँ आती है अच्छा कि देखो आई कैन ओनली गारंटी दिस थिंग इफ यू गिव मी 90% अटेंडेंस.
Yeah.
If the attendance goes down to 70, तो फिर तो I can't take responsibility of your tuitions. That is where the tuition element can come.
And also some students don't flourish in big classroom sizes also.
अरे ये एक और myth है कि big classroom size. Why big? लोग कहते हैं ISL is overflooded.
हाँ, ये मैंने काफी लोगों से सुना है। जगह नहीं है खड़े होने की।
नहीं बकवास.
What is the capacity of your campus? We calculate.
3,500.
And how many students are there?
3,500.
So you don't go above that. You don't.
Guys तो जगह नहीं. लेकिन बात ये नहीं है. बात ये है.
3,500 is a massive.
No.
But if the campus is built for 3,500,
Yeah.
that's why HSN की capacity I think 6,000 है.
बस 2,700 बच्चों.
27,000? I thought 6,000 है पूरा.
2,700. So let's put it this way. एक स्कूल बनता है नया. एक मैथ की क्लास बनती है. उस मैथ की क्लास में हैं 40 बच्चे. ठीक है. अगले this is the first year 40 बच्चे. अगले साल वो नंबर डबल हो जाता है. अब बच्चे हो जाते हैं 80. अब मैं कहूँ पूरे स्कूल में 100 बच्चे जिससे 80 मैथ्स है. अब 100 बच्चा है, छोटा स्कूल है, लेकिन उन्होंने 80 के 80 को एक ही क्लास में डाल दिया. अब ये प्रॉब्लमेटिक है एज अपोज टू कि मैं कहूँ 400 बच्चा है लेकिन 10 सेक्शन बने हुए 40 का सेक्शन है. ये 80 का है 100 बच्चे वाला, ये 40 का है, तो 40 बेहतर है. We at ISL give you the option to choose. So for example, अगर A level maths है 7 sections हैं, you can choose whichever section you want to go to.
अगर उधर जगह हुई.
जगह हर में होगी. So एक में 50 या 60 बच्चा है, एक में 25 बच्चा है.
But
If
उनका
the number-
teacher इतना amazing नहीं होगा.
लेकिन अगर
25
वो
वाला।
ISL में तो अमेजिंग है. अब होता ही है. अब बात ये है कि कुछ टीचर्स थोड़े से ज़्यादा वेल नोन है या ज़्यादा कमर्शियलाइज है.
Yeah.
ठीक है, तो बच्चों को फॉलो करता है. नाम किसी का भी नहीं लूँगा लेकिन मैंने जी टीचर ए से ही पढ़ना है. अब वो
Just
teacher-
because of his brand value.
ठीक है, अब वो 70 बच्चे की क्लास है. जो ये वाला टीचर है जो 25 को पढ़ा रहा है उसका नाम आपको नहीं पता लेकिन शायद वो भी कमाल ही है. तो हम फर्स्ट 2 वीक्स आपको ये अपॉर्चुनिटी देते हैं, गो टू व्हाटएवर सेक्शन यू वांट फॉर द फर्स्ट 2 वीक्स, देन डिसाइड. अब कोई कहेगी मैं 70 में नहीं पढ़ सकता, भाई आप 25 में पढ़ना. इफ नंबर इज द इशू वी हैव स्मॉलर सेक्शंस. इफ यू वांट दैट पर्टिकुलर टीचर दैट्स योर चॉइस. दैट्स हाउ इट इज.
That makes sense. Okay, so coming back to ISL, what initially आपने कहा था ना कि you wanted your children to have values and you wanted them to have ethics and tarbiyat and tehzeeb. So with 3,500 बच्चा, how do you make sure that these things become a part of the fabric? Because I'm sure ISL suffers the same things other schools suffer, which is bullying and then a lot of usage of social media and slander, like जो issues obviously society के हैं, ISL भी तो उसी society का है.
पर उसमें ये कि कुछ चीज़ों पे very clear, discipline पे compromise नहीं है.
Wait, I've heard that you guys never expel students.
I think we are the only one who expel.
Really?
Yeah, and on
ये
record.
शुरू में नहीं था.
Yeah, हमेशा.
You
Discipline-
expel students.
There is no concept of suspension in A levels.
A levels में करते हैं, बाकी छोटों को
या
नहीं.
grade 5, 6 के बच्चों को क्या expel करेंगे?
और O level में?
नहीं, O level में भी कर देते हैं. O
किस
level
चीज़ पे?
में, I'll tell you. So in the first week, orientation week, or the first 2 weeks, we'll tell you the do's and the don'ts. If found with a don't, that's it. There are no second chances. वो कुछ भी हो सकता है, वो वेप हो सकता है, anything, वो गाली देना हो सकता है,
जो
वो
आपने
हाथ
accept
उठाना हो
किया
सकता
है.
है. Physically, you cannot touch anyone. If found guilty, you're out.
Really?
तो लास्ट ईयर के अंदर लोग देखे ना, बात ये है कि बहुत सारे स्कूल जो हैं उनके लिए नंबर्स आर इम्पोर्टेंट.
Yeah.
ISL के लिए नहीं है. आवर वेट लिस्ट इज बियॉन्ड योर इमेजिनेशन.
Really?
Yeah. अगर मैं आज इस बच्चे को निकाल दूंगा तो उसको मैं 2 के साथ भी रिप्लेस कर सकता हूँ.
If you want to like double
Yeah.
and put 7,000 students in
So that is not an issue. तो एक्सपल्शन वही स्कूल नहीं करेगा जिसको डरा हो चले जाए, पैसे तो आ रहे.
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
हमें नहीं फर्क पड़ता, आ रहे नहीं आ रहे, हम दोबारा भी लिस्ट है. तो एक वो चीज, द एंटायर कैंपस इज कवर्ड बाय CCTV, एवरी कॉर्नर ऑफ द स्कूल, और 2 टीम सेपरेटली उसको मॉनिटर करेंगे.
Like somebody is sitting and actually watching.
2 different monitors at 2 different locations.
And they sit and watch.
Yeah, there are 2 people.
So if there's any child hitting
वो
another
सीन
child,
वर्कर,
pushing.
वॉकी टॉकी बंदा आ जाए, ठीक है.
उस
Every
पर-
floor has floor managers.
These are security personnel or teachers?
जो floor managers हैं, they are specifically those people hired for that job, normally females.
Okay.
Can be some males as well. But yeah, उनको हम floor managers ही कहते हैं. They're neither teachers nor security personnel. Just people who are looking after the floor.
So one way you're cultivating a culture of Tamiz is by the policy of expulsion.
Expulsion is there कि they know if we do this, there's a problem. Then उसमें ये है कि in our junior classes we are talking about the life story of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. We have classes like character building. We have classes like leader in me. But कोशिश ये करते हैं कि इस्लाम के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से उनको इतना प्यार प्यार से समझाया जाए. मेरा तो यकीन इस बात पे कि अगर आधी चीज़ें भी समझ आ जाए ना तो 50% problems whatever there is
I agree completely.
I will walk in the corridor, the student doesn't say salam, I will stop and say assalamu beta, how are you, how is life, what is happening, so things like that. So yeah, that's the whole idea.
So a lot of people, when they would praise you at your previous employer, I would hear this from a lot of people. Okay, Shehzad gives a lot of face time to the students. He's like, he knows the students by name. He knows her bachche ki weakness, strength. And then I think you were known for making like personalized plans. Ki acha is bachche ke liye ye subjects change kar dein. This is all stuff that I've heard, obviously, because my kids have never been your students. But now, considering that you've moved from being what you were so good at, like the magic element of Shehzad, to now becoming CEO, and I think you're opening up your third campus.
So we already have 3, so 4th.
So you will obviously, there's no way you can do that FaceTime and that personalization. Don't you feel like sometimes what happens is when brands become too big too quickly, then they also disintegrate too quickly. Like this is.
Fair enough. Like उसमें ये actually देखो, if that was the thing ना तो आज I can also stay at home, hire a couple of people and say I run this. It's not that. I'm still in my office from like.
But which office?
I only have one office.
Which one?
Ring Road campus, which is the flagship.
तो जो बाकी बच्चे हैं वो.
So वहाँ पर normally I go once a week. They know my hours. Whoever wants to come doesn't need an appointment to see me.
Even the बच्चास can walk in.
That is the time for the bachas.
अच्छा teachers वगैरह.
No, teachers वगैरह के लिए it can be like after school, it can be on over a weekend. But बच्चों के लिए 1 घंटा, everyone knows 2:30 to 3:30 so Shehzad is available on this day. Whoever wants to go and see.
And they come.
They come. And बड़ी अच्छी बात है, feedback भी मिलता है.
So each campus you give an hour a week, except for your main campus. इधर आप खुद.
इधर मैं खुद बैठता हूँ. But इधर भी normally students को पता है कि 2:30 के बाद से Shehzad मिलेंगे. If I am at Pine Avenue, they'll know कि हाँ जी 2 बजे 2:30 बजे के बाद he'll be available. So that's how it is.
Okay, but do you ever worry that with the success that ISL has achieved and with the speed at which you're growing, like some people do say कि देखो HSN को देखो एक ही है ना अभी तक, so hence their brand value exceeds the country even and is known, it's definitely known in the UK. And then if you look at Convent, again, एक ही है. So when people talk about education, they talk about अच्छा maybe just being one Howard and just being like a global brand. But you've opted to do, I think, more of a chain approach.
Yeah.
Did you ever think of doing just the Harvard approach and being like this one big, massive institution?
In all honesty, no. I wanted to capture the maximum ground so that people get at least this bare minimum quality of education, which was our vision. कि इतना तो बच्चा deserve करता. वो एक campus में 3,000 पे रोक लूँ, as opposed to कि शायद 5 साल में 30,000 को दे दूँ. ठीक है ना? आप ये भी नहीं कि सिर्फ शहजाद ही चलाता है. शहजाद अगर अच्छी टीम बनाएगा तो अच्छी टीम भी डिलीवर कर सकती है.
Yeah.
बात तो leadership की ना. So we top down approach है. You set the benchmark. This is the bare minimum that has to go up from ISL. Deliver.
Yeah.
And then of course with cross checks and balances हैं. We have different consultants who give us feedback अच्छा यहाँ क्या हो रहा है, वहाँ क्या हो रहा है, curriculum in line है, नहीं है. So yeah.
But why do you feel that there was a need for another school? Like if you look around, Beacon House has, I don't know, 150 schools, and then City School has schools, and where, I mean, there's literally, अब I feel the Starbucks in New York पे उतने शायद schools खुल गए हैं in Lahore specifically, which is the place you began from.
Yeah. So basically, as I
आपको
said,
क्या लगता है? What are other schools not doing? कि you had this massive influx of students when you opened your gates.
So as I said, initially when the thought came, now it's time to move on. That's because my vision, my director vision were not in line. So there were some things or certain things which I wanted to do which I could not do while at the previous institution. I personally felt that there was room to raise the benchmark of or to increase the standard for this particular industry. I never came to compete, and I cannot compete. The big brands like Beacon House or LGS or City, they've been there for 50 years.
Yeah.
ठीक है ना?
उनकी the second, third generation.
हाँ, मैं बोली मैंने competition में नहीं, मैं competition में ना interested हूँ. हाँ, मैं इसमें चीज़ में ज़रूर interested था कि if this is the benchmark, I want to raise the benchmark of this industry. Then compete if you can compete. समझ रहे हैं? So वो सब, so इस 15 साल में exactly मुझे ये तो पता था कि यार problem areas कौन से.
You knew, and what do you feel are the problem
So for
areas?
example,
Which is beyond your previous competitor. ना हम overall schools की बात.
देखिए मेरा एक बड़ा simple सा point है. As a parent, I bring my child to your school. My child is my biggest asset, and if I've given that asset to you, just imagine the amount of trust I have in you.
Yeah.
No two ways about it. I come and say I want to see the principal. और मुझे आगे कहते आप नहीं मिल सकते, आपकी अपॉइंटमेंट नहीं है. मुझे तो चीज़ समझ नहीं आती. चले आप अपॉइंटमेंट दे दें, वो भी नहीं मिलती.
हाँ मिलती नहीं है appointment. I know it's so frustrating.
On the other hand, so
Emails के जवाब नहीं मिलते. I'm like, that is something that frustrates me so much, and I'm often like, why do parents even put their child in a school जहाँ पे you have no voice?
Exactly. So ISL में, for example, the policy is you do not need an appointment to see Shazad.
नहीं आप
as a
मिलते ही
parent.
नहीं उधर.
As a parent. नहीं मैं रिंग रोड की बात कर रहा हूँ. So as a parent नहीं.
अच्छा तब when you had one branch, this was
But
the.
Pine Avenue के अंदर, for example, whoever the principal is, will meet the parent. You do not need an appointment to see the principal.
And Ring Road में who's the principal?
अब preschool to grade 8 is Miss Irma, and then OLs अभी मैं आपको दे दूँगा.
But you will need to hire a principal.
Of course I will. So as a parent of ISL, you do not need an appointment to see.
Really?
Shazad.
You can walk in?
You walk in. हाँ ये जरूर.
Guards नहीं कहते.
नहीं वो कहेंगे कि किसको मिलना होगा, कि शहजाद साहब को मिलना है, फ्रंट ऑफिस में कॉल आएगी, शहजाद साहब से एक पेरेंट मिलना चाहते हैं, मुझे भेज दो. अब ये जरूर उससे 15 मिनट आधा घंटा पेरेंट को वेट करना पड़ेगा. if I'm in a meeting with someone. But ये जो आदमी मुझसे यार you don't have an appointment, you cannot see शहजाद. That's impossible. So that's such a big relief for the parent. जब मिलना चाहिए मिल तो सकते हैं.
या मसला है तो just walk in.
Let's discuss it. Even मतलब if they have my number, then WhatsApp पे शहजाद ये problem.
Your number is with 3,500
Not 3,500, but those who know me, उनके थ्रू आ जाएगा. या email तो सबके पास ही है. Pretty much. They will just send me an email. कि ये problem आ रही है. And I will respond. चाहे वो रात को लेट कर, but करूँगा जरूर. So this is one aspect. दूसरा aspect ये कि ISL के अंदर we empower the students a lot. कि सर शहजाद हम ये करना चाहते हैं, करो, करके दिखाओ. ठीक है?
Like we want to set up this society.
Society
we want to do a
है या
fundraiser.
we want exactly anything.
हमने कोई event organize
Rather
करना
than
है.
this कि नहीं मैं कहूँ ये करो, जबरदस्ती कोई नहीं है. ठीक है? I can float the idea that I would like to do this. Then students might turn around and say, "So that we do it." ठीक है? And then they take lead on it. दूसरा ये कि जाओ जाके जीत कर आओ, नहीं जाओ give your 110%. हार जीत no worries, but give your 110%. Never give up and give it your best. कुछ स्कूल में ये नहीं है, जीत के आओ जीत के आओ जीत के आओ भाई. कैसे? आपने भी before the podcast you said you had multiple world distinctions. The fact that you had a world distinction in one subject in a particular year, on that day you performed amazingly well.
Yeah, that doesn't mean in any
That
ways.
doesn't mean that you were the best. Maybe the second best could have been the best. But
Absolutely,
समझे?
absolutely.
So हम distinctions की आगे well done नहीं है, doesn't matter. It does not reflect anything. But कुछ लोगों की बात समझ नहीं आती. So ये चीज़ें very different है. But the most important aspect is वो parent वाली बात. I as a parent, if I have given my child to you, that's my biggest asset. Don't mess with the parent.
Okay, मुझे ये बताएं कि we were talking about ISL admissions, which is one area that I feel ISL has been creating a lot of waves because overall, especially this year, Ivy League admissions have been insanely competitive and there are hundreds of, at least dozens of kids across Pakistan who on paper looked like fantastic candidates for Ivy Leagues. You know, 1580, 1570, extracurriculars भी थे, GPAs भी 4.0 थे. बहुत से बच्चों के नहीं हुए. And good, multiple reasons होते हैं. For a year, some people are blaming Trump. I don't know if Trump has much to do with it. Others are blaming the fact that this was the last year which is SAT optional. So the influx, like I was talking to one admissions counselor, he said 4 lakh applications were received by one university. 4 lakh, like was unprecedented numbers. But whatever the reason being, it is a fact that a Pakistani student ke liye is becoming harder and harder to get into the US top Ivy Leagues. But ISL has had quite good numbers so far and has had kids getting into Stanford, Harvard, Yale. I think MIT नहीं हुआ और Wharton नहीं हुआ.
We have 10.
But Wharton नहीं हुआ. But Wharton and MIT because I think Pakistan se issues है ना, so you can't really say like nobody from Pakistan has been getting into those places.
MIT तो बहुत सालों में नहीं हुआ ना.
MIT is for more than 10 years and Wharton also is not taking students from Pakistan.
All right.
But what has ISL done right to be able to get kids into every university without being a legacy institution? मतलब HSN में तो एक legacy है.
तो basically होता ये है कि खैर ऐसे 10 साल 15 साल से I've been in the same profession, so I knew these counselors, these college admissions officers from before. ऐसा नहीं है कि so there was a time when एक बच्चा हमारा NYU ADU, this is in my previous institution, and
You called up NYU.
I just wrote her in email. I said he is one of the best candidates I've come across. So हमारी तुम्हारी एक legacy भी 3 साल में तुमने हमारा 3 बच्चा लिया भी है. उनको पता है यार शहजाद बच्चा recommend करा तो शहजाद बच्चा recommend नहीं करेगा. Within 24 hours the child was taken with 100% financial.
So you used some of the connections you had developed on a personal level.
On a personal level. So they know, they don't care. I said, देखो बात ये what you have to understand is.
The Gora doesn't care about the
So
institution. They care about the
33%
person.
people who make it to Ivy League are home students. They've
Yeah.
never been to a school.
That's true.
Take 1/3. So they don't care HSN, ISL, LGS, Farad and Farad. No, they're only interested in the child.
And then who's recommending the
If
child?
they
That
get this
really matters.
surety कि हाँ यार ये बच्चा अच्छा है, they have no problems in taking that child. So the same thing happened with me at Harvard. One of my best students did not get.
This is at your previous
No,
place at
at
ISL.
ISL.
He didn't get in.
He did not get the interview. So Harvard is the only place which is
जो
selective.
interview this.
Selective interview पे. So अगर आपका interview आ गया, then the chances are you get in. Interview नहीं आया तो फिर तो you are out of the race.
अच्छा उस बच्चे को
उसको
interview
interview
नहीं
नहीं
है.
आया. And then I wrote to Harvard and I said कि
Did you know somebody there कि you just wrote?
I just wrote an email, but I got some contact from a friend, KR, who is the admissions officer at Harvard. Was some email दिया, I spoke to the person, or I wrote to the person, I said, this child is one of the best students of my career who did not get in.
And वो असल में था
वो था
best
ना,
student.
मैं क्यों किसी को खास recommend करूँगा? क्योंकि अगर मैं गलत बच्चे को recommend करूँगा तो next time मेरा
Next
बच्चा
time.
नहीं होगा,
Next
ठीक है
time
ना? तो मैंने कहा I'm very surprised. खैर that child got 2 interview calls there.
From Harvard.
हाँ उसी क्योंकि अभी तो सिर्फ इंटरव्यू नहीं है ना, अभी एडमिशन तो नहीं आए थे. सो पहली इंटरव्यू कॉल आ गई, इंटरव्यू हो गया. अच्छा ये भी कभी नहीं हुआ कि फिर इस बच्चे को कहा गया दोबारा इंटरव्यू करना है, एक और इंटरव्यू, फिर इंटरव्यू हुआ. अच्छा सब छोड़ छाड़ के इस बच्चे का हार्वर्ड हो गया, बाकी दिन को इंटरव्यू पहले उनका नहीं हुआ. Fortunately or unfortunately, this child decided not to go to Harvard and went to Yale. कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि शायद हार्वर्ड को ये बात पसंद नहीं है, खैर that is not in my control. But what I'm trying to tell you is that it's very important to develop these relationships.
Absolutely.
You have छोटी legacy with these colleges.
So do you still do that? Like जो आपके top बच्चे होते हैं, if they don't get in, do you still email?
I will.
And some universities just MIT को आपने कभी email
MIT
किया?
वाला भी वही ना, हमारे किसी top बच्चे ने वहाँ apply किया because of the track record के होते हैं. But for example, the Stanford में this was our 6th admission.
Wow.
ठीक है. तो स्टैनफोर्ड को पता है आयशा का बच्चा, अगर मैंने पहले साल ये दूसरा गलत बच्चा भेजा होता,
हाँ, फिर-
थर्ड हो गया, थैंक यू बट नो थैंक्स.
Yeah. And universities are known for even rescinding
Same is the
admissions.
case with Columbia.
अगर track record.
Same is the case with Yale. Same is the case with Dartmouth. I'm going to so जिस बच्ची में आपसे बात नहीं की अभी, जो बड़ा genius बच्चा है, he's not at ISL, got waitlisted from Dartmouth, and I am planning to write to Dartmouth.
But वो तो आपका बच्चा भी नहीं है.
But मेरे दोस्त, मेरे best friend का बच्चा है ना, so I just need to tell Dartmouth कि he is amazing.
Which school is he in? HSN.
So yeah, I might do it for him, but let's see. So
But they will ask you, okay, he's not your student.
It doesn't matter.
So in what capacity are you recommending?
So
him?
I've seen the bachas progress over the past 10 years.
I guess
You
you
know,
could
I think
talk
got
about
5
that.
world distinctions, 15.
Oh, I've heard about this kid, he didn't get in.
Yeah, he is a chalta phirta genius.
Yeah, he's a very good kid.
So, matlab, one of the
Brilliant.
very few people or students I've actually been impressed by is him.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, he got waitlisted by a
तो
couple.
उसका कहीं भी नहीं हुआ.
Waitlist हुआ ना 2 जगह से.
So you're going to try. your
So I'm
best.
going to try for Dartmouth because I know somebody on a professional level. And I just need to recommend and lay in that's their choice.
Mhm.
But these things help developing these small relationships. अब ड्यूक है, हर साल उसने आयशा का बच्चा लेना है, इस साल 2 नहीं,
Wow.
full right, 1 full pay, 1 full right. So, yeah, उनको ये comfort है कि हाँ यहाँ से बच्चा जो आता है, जो principal recommend करे, council recommend करे, वो बच्चा अच्छा है.
And also, I think universities want to be sure that what is written on the application
Is
has
actually there.
actually happened.
You see-
How do you make sure? Because even अगर ISL fake नहीं कर रहा चीजें, बच्चे तो कर ही
So,
रहे
you know,
हैं.
that too,
दिल से हमने इंटर्नशिप की है महीने की, शायद 2 दिन गए हों.
हो सकता है, लेकिन फिर ये तो देखो ना कॉमन ऐप का प्रॉब्लम है. कॉमन ऐप की 2 पार्ट्स हैं. आई डोंट कंट्रोल दिस पार्ट. I only control this part. If I say this child is amongst the top 5%,
He will be.
he will be. ठीक है. और उसका सबसे बड़ा एविडेंस ये है कि अगर ड्यूक ने 3rd ईयर में ये हमारा छठा बच्चा लिया है, तो जो पहले 4 गए हैं,
They perform.
they performed. Hence, Duke
They would
is-
otherwise never take
That's my
one.
point.
They're very clear.
लोगों के ISL फेक ट्रांसक्रिप्ट कर देता है, इसलिए ये
हाँ, ये मैंने
एक दफा तो
सुना
कर
है.
सकता है ना. एक दफा तो कर सकता है.
But exactly,
दो दफा
the
कर सकता
biggest, in no university, the reason our students did go to MIT 10 years से पहले, and we've also had students go to Wharton, they didn't perform. Hence, those universities said कि इस पूरे मुल्क से नहीं लेना.
लेकिन अब कुछ इंस्टीट्यूशंस हैं, टॉप इंस्टीट्यूशंस ऑफ पाकिस्तान, जहाँ स्टैनफोर्ड एडमिशन नहीं होता.
नहीं होता.
नहीं होता. अब हमने 5 साल 4 साल में 6 कर लिए.
The biggest asset for a school, which I think people here, because we're still getting to understand admissions, is your alumni in that university. In that university, because if, like when I went to Columbia, I was student body president, I won so many awards. So उसके बाद literally like Columbia, the school that I went to, would ask me, अच्छा this student has applied, do you know anything about them? This, like they would ask, they would ask their alumni, but even if they didn't ask me, they had my track record.
Yeah.
मुझसे पहले there was another guy, Fahad Hussain, who also became student body president. He did really well. So, you know, they asked Fahad about me, but the point being that the biggest ambassadors for a school and a country are the students who are in that
That's
university.
it.
So we
Currently.
obviously messed up MIT and Wharton, because किसी वजह से they're like
You know, last year,
blanket refusals.
exactly, we had 2 Columbia last year. We again have 2 Columbia this year.
And if those students do well, that is
that is it.
game set for you guys.
At least for the next 5 years को बताया कि ISL का बच्चा अच्छा है.
Yeah.
अब वो लोग कहते हैं ना फेक, अच्छा फेक तो कर दिया, बोले को अच्छा बना के भेज दिया.
But
एक दफा
उधर
होगा ना.
जाके तो आप
एक
fake
दफा
नहीं
होगा
ना
ना.
कर सकते.
एक दफा होगा ना, वो कहें नेक्स्ट टाइम नो. बट अगर आप इतने स्ट्रॉन्ग, अब एक हमारा बच्चा है, उसको in the 2nd year at NYU has got a funding of $1 million for a startup
Yeah.
in New York. I'm sure he's doing really well. अब न्यूयॉर्क हमारा हर सब अच्छा है.
Yeah. Yeah.
In such a short time.
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Okay, so last question. So a lot of people in Pakistan are now worried about becoming entrepreneurs, and you know you can sense the pessimism, especially more recently. You can sense the hopelessness. Almost everybody, I think, is now on this mission that to run away from this country, and people are like, properties becho, bhag jao, bachon ko wapas na aane do. Like you sense the worst kind of desperation I've ever seen. What would you say to all those people who like run away, don't become entrepreneurs, because you've done the exact opposite. You've come back from a job that many Pakistanis aspire to, and then you came back and became an entrepreneur, investing like बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों की, बहुत ज़्यादा कमाई. What would you say to all of them?
देखिए, one thing what you need to understand is that it's important to take risk in life. However, the risk should be calculated. I still believe that Pakistan has huge potential from an entrepreneur's point of view. We have the 6th largest population in the world. Just imagine the consumer demand that I'm sure is available in the market and can be explored. वो सिर्फ education नहीं हो, कुछ भी हो सकता है. All you have to do is understand what are you trying to achieve. वो can be any product. What is the USP of your product? Why should somebody buy your product?
Yeah.
And trust me, Pakistan, those who are doing well are doing amazingly well. आज भी. So there's no need to panic. Take a step back. Think carefully. Try it out. And जैसे मैंने आपको कहा कि मेरा तो ईमान है, रिस्क और मौत पीछे है. अगर रिस्क यहाँ नहीं मिल रहा तो वहाँ भी नहीं मिलना, और मिलना तो यहाँ भी मिल जाना है. So best of luck with whatever you do.
Great. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
very much.
Thank you.